Hey lovelies, welcome to Blenny Alerts. Today I'll be teaching you how to sew the invisible zipper without using the invisible zipper footer. So please stay to the end of the tutorial. If you are visiting my channel for the first time or you have been watching my videos and you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please go and click on the subscribe button on my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you, my subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. Please go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So I'll be using this fabric to demonstrate it. So I've sewn the fabric as you ought to sew your gown or your skirt, and I left a space for the zipper, and that zipper is the invisible zipper. You can see it, you can see how it looks. So that's the invisible zipper, and you can see how it looks. So this is how I'm going to place it on my sewing machine to sew. So I'm just showing you that if, for example, this is the gown or this is the skirt, so I've joined it, so I left the space for the sewing of the zipper. So you place it like so on the machine. Ensure that you zip the zipper open, then you place it the right side of the zip facing the right side of the fabric. I hope you understand this. If you do not, please just watch the video and you will understand all that I've been explaining. So this is the zipper. You can see, as I've told you, I've zipped it open. I've zipped it opened, and I want to show you this is the right side of the zipper, and this is the fabric. I have also joined it like as I've shown you before, and I left the space for the zipper. So if you want your zipper to be really firm or that should not give you a tough time while sewing it, just go ahead and iron gum stay on it, on this wrong side of the fabric, on both sides, so it will enable the zipper go well without bulging out. Then after sewing, you can tear the the interfacing out. So I'll place this on my sewing machine. Then I'll place the zipper right side facing the right side of the fabric. So I'll go ahead to open my zipper because I cannot sew it this way on it. So I'll go ahead and open the zipper. At that place that there is rubber at the tip of the zipper, you see, you're going to place it at the end of the gown or at the end of the skirt or whatever you want to sew the invisible zipper on. So I'll just go ahead and sew roughly on top of the zipper just to hold it down. If you don't want to do this, you can go ahead and use pin to pin it down on the fabric. So just go ahead using loose stitch, sew it on the on one side of the gown or the skirt. So sew it down. Okay, so I've exceeded the limit that I want, and that place that I stopped, that place is not that place I joined it. That is, it's not going to show at the other side of the fabric. So I'll go ahead and sew the other side too, just to hold it firm to my fabric. So you can go ahead and do yours, see how it is. So I finished sewing it. So I just sewed it at the edge there just to hold it firm to the fabric, so that when I'm doing the original stitch, it will not kind of push or slip off or bend. So it's just for me to hold the zipper firm to the fabric. That's why I did this sewing first. So now let's go to the sewing of this zipper well, the proper way. So you see the zipper now. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. When you check your invisible zipper, you see that it folds at this part of it. So go ahead and open it as shown in the video. Open it like so. Then place it on the footer. You can see how it looks. So you place it on the footer. You can see how it is. So go ahead and sew on that opening. ensure it doesn't touch the zipper engine. Don't allow it to touch the zipper engine, if there's anything like zipper engine anyway. So just sew on that line, sew it straight. So once you open the zipper like so, you will see the line that I'm talking about. So as you sew along, you open the zipper. Sew along, you open the zipper. I went ahead to use white thread so that you'll be able to see what I am doing. So you sew it till the end. You can see that I exceeded where I joined the fabric together. You can see I exceeded that portion. So go ahead and do that to yours. So after sewing this side of the zipper, you can go ahead and sew at the other side of the zipper. You can see looks how it looks on this side. So I'll go ahead at the other side. I'll just go ahead and also sew the same way I did to that part. I'm going to open it like so and sew on it, and ensure that your footer is standing on that place that you opened. So the footer will just clip on that place and it will follow it. So like I told you, if you want your zipper to go well, just iron gum stay on it. So this is how we're going to do it till we get to the end of the zipper. So you can see that I am through sewing that. So I sewed it to the end where I stopped the rough stitch the other time. So I'm through sewing my zipper. You can see how it looks. So for you to pull out the zipper head, the zipper head is already inside. So look at how I'm going to pull out the zipper head from my skirt or my gown. Look at it. At the wrong side, then I flip it over to the right side. So watch the video so you know how I brought out the head of my zipper, and you can see that our invisible zip is ready. So you can improvise. You can see our invisible zip. So if you are new to my channel, you have not clicked on the subscribe button, or you have been watching my video, please zoom me well to click on the subscribe button. Please promote my channel, share the link with others, and also give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment in the comment section, so I'll be there to see your comment, to read your comment. So look at how our zipper has come out, and it has really come out really, really, really beautiful. You can see how it looks. It has come out very beautiful. So you can do this to your gown, your skirts, so you don't have to wait for invisible zipper footer first. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.